If you're new to Linux or cybersecurity, installing Kali as your main operating system is like learning to drive in a Formula One car. It looks cool, until you crash. In 3 minutes I'll show you why Kali isn't for daily use, and exactly what to use instead. Kali Linux is a specialized Debian-based distribution built for penetration testing and digital forensics. It ships with hundreds of offensive security tools pre-installed and tuned for short controlled engagements. It was never designed to be a beginner-friendly desktop or your only computer. Everything here is for education. Only test systems you own or have explicit permission to assess. Hacking without permission is illegal, period. Kali prioritizes latest tooling for testers, not rock-solid stability. Rolling changes and security tweaks can break your desktop. For beginners, that's a headache. Pen testing often needs special wireless chipsets and USB adapters. Your built-in Wi-Fi or GPU may behave worse than on mainstream distros like Ubuntu or Pop! OS. Kali is optimized for offense. Powerful tools, looser defaults around things like service discovery. As a daily OS, those defaults can increase your attack surface versus a locked-down desktop. Running scanners from the wrong network can violate school or workplace policies. Misfires happen. Nmap, Metasploit or burp left open can attract attention. Hundreds of tools you don't understand won't make you a hacker. They make your system heavy and your learning shallow. Most tutorials, drivers and troubleshooting answers assume Ubuntu, Fedora or Arch. On Kali, you'll hit more dead ends. Kali shines in temporary, isolated environments, CTFs, exam labs, capture the flag boxes, or short client engagements, ideally inside a virtual machine or on a separate, disposable laptop. So what should you use? Ubuntu, LTS or Pop! OS for a friendly desktop. Install only the tools you need: Nmap, Wireshark, Burp Suite Community, VS Code. Parrot OS Home if you want privacy-centric defaults or Parrot security inside a VM for pen testing. Fedora Workstation if you like newer packages but still want mainstream support. Here's a clean workflow. Install VirtualBox or VMware on your main OS. Create 2 VMs, Ubuntu, LTS for daily use, and Parrot Security for pen testing. Set networking to NAT or host only. Add vulnerable VMs like Metasploitable 2 for practice. Install tools as needed, keep snapshots, and never scan networks without permission. Learning path for the first 90 days. Linux basics, files, permissions, networking. Then networking fundamentals, TCP, IP, DNS routing. Tools progression, Nmap, then Wireshark, then Burp, plus basic scripting. Finally, security concepts, OWASP, top 10, threat modeling, and clear reporting. Kali is a powerful scalpel, not a Swiss Army daily driver. Use a stable distro for everyday work and put Kali or Parrot in a VM for testing. That balance keeps you safe, productive, and employable. Tell me below, which distro are you using for your lab, and what should I cover next?